AI is everything. What if you could create an ebook with AI? So instead of writing it yourself, you save yourself hours, add a couple of pictures, put it on Warrior Plus, get affiliates to send it to you, get affiliates to sell it for you, and get money in your sleep. This is the ultimate step-by-step guide. The AI-powered profits is how to create an ebook, and I've done all PDFs here. Create an ebook with easy pictures. Create a sales page. So you do your sales page, and again, you do the email sequence and the sales page with a template. All you have to do is add the images and the words. Then you add your product to Warrior Plus, which I've done in a video form. There. And then you have to add an offer. So there's 2 steps. But also you could add a coupon code, add your product to Moonshine, how to do it, how to make a post. This is a step-by-step blueprint to make your own product. And what I've done is to make it so easy for you that you will say, I can do a bigger one. I can do a funnel with upsells. The baby step is do one baby ebook. Even if you only get 3 or 5 sales, your confidence goes through the roof. So there is now a community, which is over here. And AI Power Profits are made a community. So this is brand new. So there's nobody in this at the moment because it's just launching this week. And we are going to be putting all the courses in there. The members are going to be there. The leaderboard's going to be there because whoever comments the most, you're going to get prizes. I don't know what they are yet, but this is my own course, guys. Now, sales page. Did I do what I said on the tin? This is a no fluff sales page. No fluff. So you create an ebook, step-by-step guidance, no technical skills. Well, maybe a little bit. How to recruit for affiliates. So it's easy, step-by-step, 3 easy steps. These 3 people are real people. You can actually contact them on Facebook to find out if it's true. And so I created an ebook. I've done the template. I've done you the sequence. How to add it to Warrior Plus and Moonshine, and then you make sales. This is $17, guys. It's far more than that. But once you get in this little community, you can ask questions. I'm going to go live, and it's going to be so much fun. So it's my own product. If I knew this existed, all I wanted to do was build a sales funnel and get paid with emails in your sleep. This is it, guys. Click the link below and I'll see you inside.